Hi! In front of me is POCO M5 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access device's settings. After that, scroll all the way down and choose additional settings. From here, click on one-handed mode and click on this gray sweater in order to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. Swipe left or right from the center of the navigation panel. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back, just swipe up or click on this area. If you wish to switch off one-handed mode completely, click on the same, now blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!